we guide you through how to use Klarna One Time Card. So the first thing you need to do is to open Klarna app and sign into your account. From the home screen, tap One Time Card option or select the payment feature that lets you create a virtual card. Enter the amount you plan to spend, then choose your preferred payment plan if Klarna gives you multiple options. After confirming the details, Klarna will generate a virtual card number along with an expiration date and security code. Copy these card details and use them at the online store's checkout page, just like a regular debit or credit card. Enter the virtual card information, complete your purchase, and wait for the payment confirmation. Keep in mind that one-time card is typically created for a specific purchase amount, so make sure the value covers your order total, including taxes and shipping if applicable. If your payment is declined, double-check that the merchant accepts virtual cards and verify your available Klarna spending limit and ensure the card amount matches your purchase. And that's it.